self-service currency exchange walkthrough and tutorial. X Money Hong Kong. Hey everyone, and welcome to this guide on self-service currency exchange. In this video, we'll walk you through the overall process, from setting up your account to making your first trade. Creating an account and wallet. When you create an account on X Money, you'll get an e-wallet. Your wallet balance uses X dollars as its currency. It's called X dollars to differentiate it from the dollars in other e-wallets. When trading on X Money, balances in other e-wallets are treated as virtual goods, and X dollars is used as the payment method. Adding a receiving wallet. Before you start trading, you need to add a receiving wallet to your account. This is where you'll get your money after you buy it. You can add multiple receiving wallets to your X Money account. Example, converting GCash Pesos to Alipay Hong Kong dollars. Let's say you want to convert Pesos from your GCash wallet to Hong Kong dollars in your Alipay account. Here's how it works. Please sell GCash Pesos to get X dollars first, and then use X dollars to buy Alipay Hong Kong dollars. I will provide detailed instructions below. Sell GCash Pesos to get X dollars. Step 1. Create a new listing. Please use a product template to quickly create a new listing. Please choose the C2C currency exchange category for personal users. Please follow the instructions on the template guidelines to fill in the product details. Step 2. Wait for a buyer. You'll get an email when someone purchases your listing. Step 3. Transfer Pesos to buyer. Please transfer the Pesos to the buyer's GCash account according to the order details. Please submit the transaction ID so the buyer can verify the payment. The order status will change from pending to processing, and the buyer will receive an email notification. Step 4. Buyer confirms receipt. Once the buyer confirms they've received the correct amount of pesos, they will confirm receipt, releasing your X dollars. I will demonstrate the order details after the buyer confirms receipt. The order status will change from processing to complete. Congratulations! You've successfully obtained X dollars. Buying Alipay Hong Kong dollars. Step 1. Locate and purchase a product. Locate and purchase a product that allows you to top up Alipay Hong Kong dollars using an agent service. Make sure you select the correct receiving wallet. Step 2. Wait for seller to transfer Hong Kong dollars. You'll get an email when the seller transfers the Hong Kong dollars and submits the transaction ID. Step 3. Verify amount and confirm receipt. If your Alipay account has received the correct amount of Hong Kong dollars, please confirm receipt to release the X dollars. Important reminders. If you have any questions, please contact customer service before confirming receipt. Congratulations! Don't forget to leave feedback for the seller.